first of all, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank my mom because she was the one who was behind me all the way. She always used to say, "Tu meri naak katwayega," because all she saw me doing was playing and having fun. But I was determined to prove her wrong. And I think she was the happiest person when she got to know that I got 9.8 CGPA.
The test series kept me under a constant pressure, which made me work harder and harder day by day. And also, the UT books gave me a lot of information in a summarized way, which made me also help a lot for my board exam.
Through the entire 10th, I went for my archery nationals and my sports, and I did not expect a 9.8 CGPA. But all those lectures which I missed, UT helped me cover them up and cope up with them, so I want to thank them.
I would just suggest that if you just pay attention in school and UT, you would score very good.
The faculty at UT was very supportive, and the constant test series helped me work on my mistakes.
I was having a 50-50 mind in my this thing whether she will do the or UT will help it or not. But I now seeing very confidence in my daughter.
I was reluctant to join the Universal Series Test program as I thought it was a waste of time. But after completing the course, I could go with the calm mind for the boards, and also the tricky questions which were asked in the boards did not seem to be tricky.
Some things that I liked about UT were regular classes, good timings, and the short breaks that were really helpful.
According to my parents, I was always a focused and a hardworking student, but I needed the proper direction and guidance, so they enrolled me with UT.
RL sir, my maths teacher, once he would say that ये question exam में नहीं आएगा मतलब नहीं आएगा, and we used to forget about the whole topic and that wouldn't come in exams.
The fun we had during the breaks and during the lectures, especially Swati ma'am, my Sanskrit teacher, she just didn't teach us, she gave us many values. She used to tell us, narrate us stories.
हमारे ज़माने में यूटी जैसे नहीं था कुछ, और मेरे बच्चे लोग के ज़माने में भी नहीं था. अभी मेरे ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन जो है बहुत लकी है, और आप लोग इतने अच्छा उसको प्यार से इतना फन से सिखाया है. तो हमेशा आके ये शब्द बोलती थी मुझे, नानी हमारी क्लास का क्या क्या एक्सपीरियंस है, हमेशा आके बताती थी. और अभी वो इतना अच्छा मार्क लिया है तो हम सब प्राउड है.
It's a very great help for all the students that personal attention given. Would like suggest all the parents to put their students for UT batches only.